55.
सेकॉन्टे सेंट
क्या बोला आपने?
सेकॉन्ड सेकॉन्ड सेंक
या सैंकॉन्थ सैंक। आप जैसे
सेंकॉन्सेंट या
सैंक बोल रहे हो ना,
सेकॉन्ड
जैसे सैंक बोल
सेंकॉन्सेंट
रहे हो, ऐसे ही सैंकॉन्थ बोला जाएगा। स्टार्टिंग सेम ही होगी, सैंकॉन्थ सैंक।
सेंकॉन्सेंट हाँ
या ओके।
सेंकॉन्सेंट हाँ
हाँ। देन 62।
62 soixante du
द सोixante द
the okay
टू
soixante
है
the
तो को भी से द सोixante द।
okay
ओके।
soixante the
या देन 34।
34 trente trente quatre
trente quatre, trente नहीं बोलेंगे, trente quatre।
हाँ 30 का trente है ना
ठीक है।
okay trente
70।
ten
ओके 77।
77 soixante dix-sept
दीज हाँ दी सेट ओके। 83।
83 quatre-vingt-trois
quatre-vingt-trois। ओके। quatre-vingt-trois ओके देन 98।
98 quatre-vingt-dix dix-huit
दीज बीट।
हाँ, quatre-vingt-dix-huit
ठीक है चलो, दीज आर क्लियर। ये हो गया 100।
सौ
100।
सौ
ठीक है। नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड विद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। एक सेकेंड में बुक ओपन करती हूँ, गिव मी जस्ट 1 मिनट।
मुझे टू का अभी भी मेरे को सर आप द बोलते हो डू बोलते हो अभी भी कभी कभी
द
कंफ्यूजन द
द
है
हम्म,
ओके
द। Okay. I think one more student is going to join in.
परफेक्ट
She is a beginner in French. She's in already. She's in. Manleen, I think. Manleen Anand.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Can you please switch on your video?
Yeah, just a moment. I just joined in a hurry, sorry.
No problem. So, hi Manleen.
Hi, Upasna.
Yeah. So, you haven't taken any class till yet in French?
No, I haven't.
It's your first one.
Yes, yes, right.
No problem. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, Manveen, I was in a little doubt for you because it's your first class and we have done a couple of classes. So, for the time being, Jan is saying that he will be sharing the recording to you for the lectures that have been missed by you and to you also, Gyandeep. आपको भी चाहिए था ना?
Hmm.
ठीक है, तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मिल जाएगा. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द नेशनैलिटीज. तो हम नेशनैलिटीज कर रहे हैं, तो वही हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे आज. ओके,
Okay.
Alright.
I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, is it visible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Marlene, we have done basically the how to present yourself. Okay, basic salutations we have done. How to introduce yourself, how to ask someone how are you, something the things like this. We have done this. Numbers we have done. तो ये हम कर चुके हैं and today we'll start with nationalities.
So if you don't mind me asking, total कितनी classes हो चुकी हैं अब तक?
I think Gyandeep we have done till how many classes? 2 or 3?
3, I think 3.
Yeah, I think 3 we have done.
Including the demo, so like the first phase, including the
Yeah, so basically we have done 2 classes.
2 classes only done, yeah. 2 classes.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. So this is the chapter of nationality here. First, by the flag you can, अगर आपको नहीं पढ़ना आ रहा है, then you can say what is the, which country's flag is this?
Yes.
US. So in French, what we will say is this: États-Unis.
États-Unis.
Yeah, this is États-Unis. ठीक है? See, this is for Marlene because with Gyandeep we have already done this. When there is a vowel, दो words के बीच में when there is a vowel here, S के बाद में there is U. U is a vowel in French. So when vowel आता है तो there is a liaison effect. ज की थोड़ी सी आवाज आएगी आपको, या तो ज की या थोड़ी सी एस की आवाज आती है, तो इट्स ज़ेताज़ुनी, ज़्यूनी ऐसे.
Okay.
Okay.
États-Unis.
या एताज़ुनी भी बोल सकते हो और ज़ेताज़ुनी. वैसे ज्यादातर आपके लेवल पे इट्स एताज़ुनी, ताकि आप ई को आराम से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. एताज़ुनी.
États-Unis.
Okay.
Okay.
Shall I move forward to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just have one more question.
Yeah.
Yesterday also I was asking you like this mark on E, like how do you pronounce it every time? Like sometimes I notice it's the other side also.
For E you are asking?
Yeah, there's a mark on E, right? Like there's a.
वो एक्सोन होता है. There are 3 marks, उनको हम डिटेल में करेंगे एक दिन, उसकी पूरी.
Okay.
3 होते हैं, उन तीनों को अच्छे से हम डिस्कस करेंगे तभी. मे बी कल, tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, I'll be taking most probably by tomorrow this session. Okay. Next is which country?
UK.
Okay.
Yeah. This is UK, United Kingdom. So in French we say grande. Grand नहीं बोलेंगे हम, उसको बोलेंगे grande. Because जहाँ A और N आता है, जहाँ पे A और N एक साथ आ जाता है, वहाँ पे we have to say the words in a little bit nasal way. Nasal sounds we have to produce. So Grande-Bretagne.
Bretagne.
Okay. Grande.
Sorry.
Yeah. Grande.
Okay.
You can repeat after me. Grande. Yeah. Bretagne. Okay. Grande-Bretagne.
Okay.
This is your UK.
Okay. Oh, Great Britain. So Grand Britain.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
ग्रेट ब्रिटेन भी बोलते हैं ना, दैट्स द सेम
Mm-hmm.
कॉन्सेप्ट.
Right.
Okay, then next, our neighbor
China.
China. So this is Sheen.
Shin.
Sheen. CH
Okay,
is
Shin.
pronounced as sh.
Mm-hmm.
Sheen.
Shin. Then.
Shin.
Easy.
Yeah. Okay. Then fourth is Reus.
Reese.
Reus.
Reese.
Reus.
Yeah.
Reese. Okay.
Reus. This is Russia. Reus.
Okay.
Marlene, अभी आपने you haven't done the alphabets yet, na? So
Right.
you'll be facing little bit of difficulty over here because
Okay.
you don't know the particular pronunciation of every alphabet. So no problem. Abhi you can just get familiar in this class with the words in French. जब आप वो कर लोगे already, then you will be much more comfortable with this. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Now fifth is
German.
yeah, Germany. So this is Allgemeine.
Allgemeine.
Yeah, ALL Allgemeine.
Money.
Al
Allgemeine.
Allgemeine.
Almine.
Yeah, Allgemeine. Good.
Allgemeine.
ऑल्मो भी बोल देते हैं समटाइम्स जब हमें बोलना होता है जर्मन पीपल, तो वी से आल्मो. आल्मो भी बोल देते हैं. ओके, हियर इट इज Allgemeine एंड पीपल के लिए वी यूज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, वो धीरे धीरे यू विल गेट टू नो. ओके, देन इज योर जापान.
Japan.
जापान.
Japan.
जापान इज जापान.
Mm.
Okay. Then next is your France.
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 Little bit nasal आ रहा है because A और N साथ में है. France.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is, I think this is South Korea.
South Korea.
South
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah. Okay. Kur,
Cool.
Gyu,
You.
Sud.
Sud.
Kur, Gyu, Sud.
Cool. Cool. Shit.
This is South Korea.
Sud.
Mostly in French language there is a tendency that जैसे English में हम बोलते हैं that it is a very excellent place.
Hmm.
French में हम उल्टा बोलते हैं. Place पहले बोलेंगे, excellent बाद में बोलेंगे.
Oh, okay.
ये आप बहुत जगह you notice this. अभी तो नहीं because you are not familiar with the adjectives adverbs like that. So but होता है ये बहुत मतलब मोस्टली यही होता है. Every word जैसे इंग्लिश में होता है there is it is inversed in French.
So this is written as Korea as South, like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
इसीलिए you will not do the literal translation because अगर आप literal translation इंग्लिश में करोगे आपको कुछ और ही मतलब
No, got it. Makes sense. Yeah. Makes sense. Can you just pronounce it again?
Cour de Sud.
Cool. That's you. Okay.
Good Sud. Okay.
Yeah. Good. Then next is Italy.
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 Because I को हम फ्रेंच में ई बोलते हैं इसलिए पढ़ेंगे इताली.
Italy.
हाँ.
Italy.
हाँ. And the last word we do not pronounce in French. Last का जो भी word होता है वो हम pronounce नहीं करते हैं ज़्यादातर mostly. Okay.
You mean letter, right? You mean letter, sorry.
Last alphabet, no?
Yeah. Last.
Okay.
Italy.
Italy.
Then इसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करो. I think you can read this. इताली है ना? ये क्या होगा?
Australia.
Very good. Australia.
Okay.
Australie. Australia.
Australia.
This is Pays-Bas.
Pays-Bas.
Pays-Bas. Okay. Country को we say pays. Country को in French we say pays. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है rencontre ऊपर जहां मैं हाईलाइट करी हूँ, rencontre les noms des pays.
Hmm.
Rencontre is to acknowledge, to know something. Okay.
Hmm.
Sorry, rencontre नहीं, connaître. Connaître les noms des pays. Connaître is to know.
Hmm.
Know is names. NOMS. Know, names. The pays. Okay, knowing the names of the pays.
In the name of the country.
It's not a literal translation, but इसकी
हम्म।
sense यही होगी. अगर आप connaître को अकेले लोगे, know को अलग लोगे, तो वो थोड़ा अलग meaning sound करता है, इसलिए we will not do the literal translation.
Hmm.
ठीक है, connaître les noms de pays. So pays are known as countries in French. Pays. Okay, then
Which country is that? Sorry, 11. Which country is that?
sorry,
The number 11 one, like that one. Which country is that?
Pays-Bas, I think, if I'm not wrong, let me just once verify it. Give me a second. Netherlands. It's Netherlands.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And
कुछ
this one is being recorded, right? This lecture is being recorded, right?
I think one second. उन्होंने
So
मुझे
that we both can go back to this.
Mhm. Just give me 1 second.
Sure, yeah.
I have installed one app.
Brazil.
I think now it's been recorded. Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Okay, so H is a silent word. H is a silent word in letter in French. So H को we are not going to pronounce. इसको हम पढ़ेंगे Hungry.
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 Yeah, not hungry. In English we say hungry. This is hungry.
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 Okay. Then Brazil is mostly the same. Brazil.
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 Yeah. Then this is, what is this one?
Spain.
Spain.
Spain. इसको हम बोलते हैं spine.
Spain.
Spine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Spain.
Spine. End वाली E को we will not pronounce. Spine.
Spain.
Yeah. Then this is Kenya.
Kenya.
So it's the same? Kenya?
Yeah, it's same. Kenya is same.
Okay.
Spelling is also same, na? So pronunciation be almost same.
Okay.
Jamia.
Jamia.
Jamaica. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
This is U E is always K. ये कहीं भी आ जाएगा ना, you will pronounce it K ही रहेगा ये.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then next is
Croatia.
yeah. Yeah, बोलो. Try.
Croatia.
T.
I think this is which country, Croatia?
Croatia.
Yeah, it's the same. Then next is very known to you, Cuba.
It's the same.
Then this
New Zealand.
Nouvelle Zélande.
Zealand.
Nouvelle Zélande.
Zealand.
ओके, न्यू को वी इन फ्रेंच देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ न्यूज. एक न्यू को हम बोलते हैं नूवेल, एक न्यू को हम
New.
बोलते हैं नूवो.
Nouveau.
हाँ.
What
अब
what
what
is the
is,
difference?
yeah, I will tell you the
What is
difference.
that?
One is masculine and one is feminine. This
Okay.
nouvelle is feminine and nouveau is masculine.
So how do you know New Zealand is feminine?
Yeah, New Zealand is basically here we will
I
feminine.
So countries names are feminine or what? Or
yeah,
like which
nowadays how is the word new feminine or masculine? How do you
like
decide?
how do you know which country name is
Yeah.
feminine? Masculine?
वील डू द आर्टिकल्स, उससे आपको याद होगा. इसके बाद में हम आर्टिकल्स
Okay.
करेंगे कि
Okay.
इनके सामने ल लगेगा, ल लगेगा. उनके अकॉर्डिंग यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर आउट दैट विच इज मेस्कुलिन एंड विच इज फेमिनिन. देखो
Okay.
कुछ के लिए तो वी हैव वन फॉर्मूला दैट यू कैन अप्लाई, बट अदर्स यू हैव टू लर्न.
Okay.
What was the masculine one you said? This is
Nouveau.
nouvelle.
Nouveau.
Nouveau. Okay.
Hmm.
Then this is Canada.
Canada.
Not Canada. The तो हम we do not say in
So like
French.
Canada.
Canada. Any जैसे भी आपको इजी लगे, you can make any benchmark of that and you can remember it accordingly.
इसमें none of these had like a sharp sound. मतलब जैसे
No,
हम त
yeah,
वगैरह
easy.
बोलते हैं तो त ही बोल रहे हैं सब.
फ्रेंच में तो कोई भी वर्ड आप ऐसा देखोगे नहीं जिसमें कोई भी हार्ड साउंड्स होंगी. दे डू नॉट प्रोनाउंस एनी हार्ड साउंड्स.
Okay.
ओके, जैसे हम इंग्लिश में और हिंदी में भी ट ठ ड इसे बहुत ही हार्ड से वर्ड्स बोलते हैं ना, दे डू नॉट प्रोनाउंस. उनका इम्पैक्ट बहुत,
Okay.
इट बिकम्स लिटिल लो इन द वर्ड.
Hmm.
ओके, one so just 1 second. I will open the notes that I have of this. Yeah. I think here the country's name are not there. Okay, कोई नहीं, we'll do with this only. Okay, so there is one tendency. क्या होता है कि for your A1 level, if the word is ending with E, if there is E in the end of any word, it will be most probably considered as a feminine word. Okay,
Okay.
we'll consider it feminine. न्यू जीलैंड में हमने फेमिनिन क्यों, नोवेल जीलैंड सॉरी, नोवेल जीलैंड को हमने फेमिनिन क्यों कंसिडर किया? बिकॉज इन योर जीलैंड दिस इज E. The word is ending with E.
Okay.
Now we will do what we can do. We can do the articles. Articles कर सकते हैं हम,
Okay.
because we will be needing articles here. I think the article is in this chapter. Yeah, you can see these four words.
Hmm.
Okay, these are the four articles. Basically, L apostrophe is not considered a very understanding article here because L apostrophe, I'll be starting with L apostrophe because this is very simple. इसमें what you have to do is any word that is starting with a vowel,
Hmm.
okay, you'll apply L apostrophe in front of it.
Hmm.
Okay. For example, this. Okay. Almine was starting with a vowel A. That's why we applied L apostrophe. But
Hmm.
after writing L apostrophe in front of almine, the pronunciation is going to change. ठीक है, फिर
Okay.
हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? ललमाइन.
Lol, mine.
ओके.
So L apostrophe is la, basically.
हाँ, होता ल है.
Yeah.
वो उनके साथ लगता है जो वॉवल होते हैं.
Okay. So but whenever it's L apostrophe, you can make the sound la. Okay.
ललमाइन.
Lol, mine. Okay.
लेकिन L जो है वो सिंपल L साउंड नहीं करेगा. द वॉवल दैट इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द आफ्टर L, you are going to mix the phonetics with that.
Can you do an example with, like, let's say O, or anything starting with O but L apostrophe O, something?
Minute. हाँ, जैसे there is a word in English omnipresence.
Hmm.
ठीक है, फ्रेंच में भी it is the same, omnipresence.
Hmm.
We say it omnipresence. So if you want to say it with an article, we'll say l'omnipresence,
Omnipresent.
Omnipresent.
No.
which is going to impact the word.
Okay.
So one article L apostrophe.
Hmm.
Right.
L apostrophe. La.
Then L,
Hmm.
L E, L.
La.
बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. L is L E, La is L A.
Hmm.
La.
L, La. So L E, L is masculine, and La, L A, La is feminine.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, makes sense. Okay.
and Le is plural.
Oh. Okay. Lay.
ठीक है,
Okay, that's why it's with United States. Lay. Okay.
so
Lay.
we'll do the exercise.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll L apostrophe is
La.
La.
L, L E,
La.
Le.
L, L,
La.
L E.
Sorry.
L,
L A is la.
L A is L.
La.
And then L E S, ले. उसको भी ले ही बोले, ले. एस तो वी लेस तो नहीं बोल सकते, तो वील से ले.
Lay.
ठीक है, अब देयर विल बी वन ऑडियो.
Hmm.
I will suggest you that you can take out the printout of this book. ठीक है.
Okay.
So you'll easier with the exercises. You can easily do the exercises. एक और book है, there is one more book, काइये, activity book. So उसका भी निकलवा लेना. So it will be easier for you to self study also because everything is structured over here na. So I will be giving some homeworks also from the काइये.
Mm-hmm.
It will be easier for you.
Okay.
So I will play the audio number 7. Till then you can read the, ये कर सकते हो आप. उस ऑडियो में पार दो एकूते कॉम्प्लेते आवेक ले जाती आर्टिकल. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना होगा? You have to complete with the articles. सुन के. You can apply your common sense also because I have told you that किसके साथ क्या आएगा, masculine, feminine. थोड़ा उससे आपको you'll get to know it better. Till then you can read it. I'll just play the audio.
So just to confirm,
Yeah.
LE is masculine, LA is feminine, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
And for LE you say la,
Hmm.
and LA it's
La. La.
la.
La.
Okay.
L, la, le.
Hmm.
La.
Can you please open it in your computer's desktop, whatever you are having, because when I will share my screen, it will be gone. Or I can do, हाँ वो चले जाएगा because I have to play the audio. You, Manleen, are you having this PDF with you?
I don't think so. No, I don't have it yet.
Okay, you don't have it. Just let me see what can I do. For the time being, एक बार तो I have to stop sharing.
Okay.
I mean, I have a workflow. I can share it from my screen if I can. You can play it and I can share it. Can we?
No, I have one other option. I'll
Okay.
select that. But उसमें you not audio नहीं आएगा. या ज्ञानदीप you can share because
Can
मेरे में
share.
audio नहीं आएगा. I can share this only. This is the audio.
Okay, let me just open the book then.
हो रहा है?
Like, सिर्फ कौन सी जगह पे एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि लिंक है मेरे पास but I can share my screen. Can you just guide me where it is?
You are opening the Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Google Classroom में let me check where it is. वहीं पर है ज्ञान है shared I think.
नहीं वहाँ पे है so like when I open the link को like वहाँ पे it says Cosmopolitan one हाँ but this is audio files. Where do I go for textbook? हाँ
Okay, we can do one thing. पहले आप audio सुन लो, ठीक है?
Okay.
एक बार audio सुन लो, then we'll open the book.
Okay.
Okay. Audio 7. इसीलिए I have told you to take the printout of this book. ठीक है? By Monday निकलवा लेना दोनों.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to play the audio.
Leçon 3. Le monde en français. Activité 2. Bonsoir à tous. Je vous présente le classement officiel des Jeux Olympiques de 2016. Numéro 1, les États-Unis. 2, la Grande-Bretagne. 3, la Chine. 4, la Russie.
Malin, note down the articles he is saying. अगर कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, articles note down कर लो.
Okay.
1 नंबर पे क्या बोला है, 2 पे क्या बोला है, which कौन सी कंट्री के साथ क्या बोल रहा है. ठीक है, कंट्री के नेम आपके पास नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप for your knowledge.
Okay. Got it.
अब तो this is not going to और 1 second.
La la le.
Okay. Shall I start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leçon 3. Le monde en français. Activité 2. Bonsoir à tous. Je vous présente le classement officiel des Jeux Olympiques de 2016. Numéro 1, les États-Unis. 2, la Grande-Bretagne. 3, la Chine. 4, la Russie. 5, l'Allemagne. 6, le Japon. 7, la France. 8, la Corée du Sud. 9, l'Italie. 10, l'Australie. 11, les Pays-Bas. 12, la Hongrie. 13, le Brésil. 14, l'Espagne. 15, le Kenya. 16, la Jamaïque. 17, la Croatie. 18, Cuba. 19, la Nouvelle-Zélande. 20, le Canada.
एक बार और I'll play.
Leçon 3. Le monde en français. Activité 2. Bonsoir à tous. Je vous présente le classement officiel des Jeux Olympiques de 2016. Numéro 1, les États-Unis. 2, la Grande-Bretagne. 3, la Chine. 4, la Russie. 5, l'Allemagne. 6, le Japon. 7, la France. 8, la Corée du Sud. 9, l'Italie. 10, l'Australie. 11, les Pays-Bas. 12, la Hongrie. 13, le Brésil. 14, l'Espagne. 15, le Kenya. 16, la Jamaïque. 17, la Croatie. 18, Cuba. 19, la Nouvelle-Zélande. 20, le Canada.
Done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing, is there any country's name that do not have any article?
Cuba.
Which one?
Cuba.
Cuba.
Yeah, Cuba. Do not have any article in front of it.
Why is that?
This is the rule. There is no modification.
I mean, no question for somebody who doesn't know French at all.
This because
This select करके Cuba choose किया ऐसे कुछ.
there is no particular reason for that. There are some exceptions also जो भी आएंगे जो feminine होने के बाद में masculine article hold करते हैं.
Oh.
Okay? The next page पे we are going to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Upasna, is it possible if I be back in like 2 minutes?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. ठीक है. Okay. ज्ञानदीप क्या लिखा है आपने? आप बताओ.
Okay. First, lay.
Which one?
First one.
Okay. First. पूरा बोलो.
जो कंट्री का नाम नहीं लिखा मैंने.
You can. Okay. I'll share the book. Just a second.
I thought you just said the article, sir.
पूरा बोलेंगे तो you'll अच्छा से याद रह जाएगा.
नहीं, definitely हाँ. लिखा नहीं मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए.
वो लिखना पॉसिबल भी नहीं था. ओके. सो फर्स्ट इज कौन सा आर्टिकल लगाया है? ले ज़ेताज़ुनी.
LES.
प्लूरल बिकॉज इट्स एस लगा हुआ है. ले ज़ेताज़ुनी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ग्रॉन्ड ब्रिटाइन. ला ग्रॉन्ड ब्रिटाइन. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज योर शीन. क्या लिखा है? लाशीन. गुड. देन फोर्थ इज लारूसी. या लारूसी. देखो here they have simplified the things for you. The words that are in red, they are feminine. The name of the countries, les noms de le pays, जो red हैं, which are red, they are feminine. The green ones are your plural.
Okay.
And blue are, I think, blue are light blues. Sky blue ones are masculine, and the dark blue ones are vowels, जिनके साथ L apostrophe आएगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो चारों को they have specified very clearly. So first is les États-Unis. Le Grande Bretagne.
La, no? It should be la.
Le Grande Bretagne. ठीक है. Malin, we have started with what you have wrote down and the discussion which name of the pay is masculine and which is feminine. Okay. So Malin, what you have written for the first one? Le, the plural one.
Yes.
Le Zetazuni.
I'm still confused with, could you remind me the L apostrophe? I know the other three, but the L apostrophe one.
L apostrophe was in front of the vowels.
Okay.
ठीक है. जो भी vowels होंगे E, I, O, U, उनके साथ में you will apply L.
So the first one, Zetazuni, is it L apostrophe here then?
No. It's
Because it's plural.
जब भी plural होगा तो you will always see plural. भले ही वो vowel है. अगर plural है तो you will apply le only.
So LES वाला ही ले.
Yeah. For the first one, it's LES. Le Zetazuni.
Correct.
And for the next, कुछ लिखा है next के लिए? La Grande Bretagne. Feminine.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Third
भी Lasheen. How do you say? Sheen.
Lasheen.
Okay.
I think
It's
Sheen
difficult
is
because I don't know the alphabets yet.
But you will get, धीरे धीरे आ जाएंगे. अब पढ़ के और जल्दी आ जाएंगे आप. अब ये देख लिया है ना, थोड़ा सा ले लिया है, तो अब जल्दी आ जाएंगे और.
So once I go through those recordings, I can come back to you with any questions I have, right?
हाँ, no problem.
Because
in tomorrow's class we can you can come up with your doubts. Any doubt if you be having, we can discuss it here only.
Okay.
And then next, this Lasheen.
Lasheen.
Then next. ला, ज्ञानदीप वो ल ही है. जब हम बोलते हैं कुछ वर्ड्स के साथ साथ में, इट गेट्स लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट, बट यू विल
Okay.
गेट हैबिचुअल व्हेन अगर उसको सेपरेटली पढ़ेंगे ला शीन, लेकिन जब एक
हाँ.
फ्लो में बोल देंगे देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू.
Lush.
हाँ.
Okay.
ठीक है, so don't get that much confused. मैं बोलती हूँ ये तुरंत.
हाँ, exactly.
यहाँ पहले तो आपने ऐसे बोला था.
हाँ.
Because when we pronounce the words separately, they always sound same. ये separately हम इसलिए बोल रहे हैं because this is the very initial stage for you. So उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होगा. अब 2-3 दिन बाद ही जब आप लोग और वर्ड्स और वर्ब्स सुनोगे जिनके साथ में ल ला ले सब लग रहे हैं, तो आपको पता लग जाएगा धीरे धीरे.
Okay.
ठीक है. So la sheen. Then next fourth one,
La
la ruse.
Rusi.
Yeah, la ruse.
Let's see.
Okay, I'm doing pretty good for my first.
Go.
It's nothing. अगर थोड़ा सा vigilantly you will.
मुझे for sure लगा तो सब गलत लिखे होंगे मैंने.
No. इतना हार्ड नहीं है जितना हम assume कर लेते हैं. It's not that hard. हाँ, it take time to immerse ourselves into the language. It obviously take time, but no problem हो जाता है. Okay, then fifth one.
L apostrophe.
L apostrophe.
L apostrophe lal mind.
Love man.
ठीक है, lal mind. Then sixth.
Okay, sorry, just one doubt.
Yeah.
So first, like Germany, is that masculine or feminine?
उसके साथ में ना होता वो फेमिनिन है, लेकिन कभी
वो है तो
नहीं. हाँ, लल माइंड
है.
को लिखेंगे.
लिखेंगे वाली एपिसोड पर है वो फेमिनाइन ना.
हाँ, नहीं, पता क्या होता है, when there is a vowel in front of any word, we forget that it is masculine or feminine, then we
Oh,
take
okay.
it as vowel only. ठीक है,
Okay.
then उसका जो masculine और feminine वाला concept है
It's irrelevant.
ends there. Okay, you will always, and this same goes with the plural ones also. अगर
Okay.
कोई चीज plural है, then you will forget that it is feminine or is it masculine.
Okay.
That concept ends there.
Alright.
Okay, then sixth is le Japon.
La
Le Japon. Then seventh,
La France.
La France.
La France.
France नहीं, France.
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 La France.
La France.
La France.
कम से कम हम जिनकी लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हैं अपना.
मैं जस्ट वही बोल रही थी, इमेजिन फ्रेंच सीख रहे और फ्रांस का ही नाम गलत ले लिया.
I remember when I used to study in my institute, तो उसका name it was difficult to pronounce in the initial days. So my teacher also told me at least the place where you are studying pronounce the name correctly. Okay. Now le France. ठीक है.
La France.
Eighth.
La
Feminine.
Cour.
La Cour du Sud.
La Cour du Sud.
La Cour du Sud.
La Cour du Sud. Okay.
Then ninth.
Le
Ninth, I didn't.
L apostrophe.
L apostrophe.
जो आपका डाउट था ना, you were missed with the L apostrophe. So L
हाँ.
apostrophe always comes with the article, the vowels, and here I think I is the article. So litali.
Litali.
L apostrophe लिखेंगे and we'll say litali.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then 10th
L apostrophe.
Lostrali.
Lostrali.
ठीक है. Now 11th
11th LUS Lepeba.
क्योंकि इंग्लिश में भी if you remember it's Netherlands.
Plural.
Netherlands.
Okay.
So Lepeiba. Then
Lepeiba.
12th
La
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 Hongrie.
Longre.
La Hongrie. Hongrie नहीं
Hongrie.
long La Hongrie.
Longre.
La Hongrie.
Hungry. 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 Hungry.
Hongrie बोल अच्छा
या Hongrie बोलते
मैं
हैं.
आपको अच्छा मुझे लगा आप मुझे बोल
नहीं, I was saying to Gandhi.
अच्छा
Okay, next.
Le Brésil.
Le Brésil. Le.
Le Brésil.
Le Brésil.
Le Brésil. Yeah.
Then 14th.
Le
L apostrophe.
L'Espagne.
Spain.
L'Espagne.
Espagne. L'Espagne.
हाँ मैंने सब एपोस्ट्रोफी वाले ही गलत किए हैं
Then 15th.
15th.
ले केन्या ले केन्या
Masculine होगा Le Kenya. Le.
ले केन्या
Kenya.
Then 16th. La Jamaïque.
ला जमीक
La Jamaïque.
Jamaïque.
ओके
Then 17th.
La
La
ला
Croatia.
क्रोशी
Cro-
Croatia. Croatia.
क्रोती
हाँ, Croatia.
La
18th Cuba.
कुमा
Have any article? ठीक है. Then 19th.
Nouvelle.
ला नोवेल
La Nouvelle-Zélande.
La Nouvelle-Zélande.
La Nouvelle-Zélande.
अच्छा एन
La Nouvelle-Zélande. Then 20th. Le
Le
Canada.
Le Canada.
ला एल
L-E. हाँ,
L-E.
Le Canada.
Le
ठीक है. Now one second, there is one small exercise इसके नीचे. ये देखो, focus long. Observe, complete les règles. Règle is basically rules.
Okay.
Okay. Observe, English वाला same. Complete same. Le règle means the rules.
The rules.
ओके. सो देखो यहाँ पे इन्होंने वही चीज बताई हुई है. ल जापो मेस्कुलिन, ल ब्राजील मेस्कुलिन, ल लिबन मेस्कुलिन, लीरान लीरान दूसरा हो जाता है.
ईरान
ल शीन, लोंग ल ओंगरी, ल रूसी, l'Australie, les États-Unis, les Pays-Bas. ठीक है. नाउ दे आर सेइंग les noms de pays. ये आगे समझ में व्हाट इज दिस les noms de le pays qui termine
Country.
par la lettre sans féminin. इसका ग्लोबल मीनिंग आपको सेंटेंस का क्या समझ में आ रहा है?
कुछ भी समझ में नहीं
If the name of the country ends with the letter.
या termine जैसे इंग्लिश में होता है that terminates with any letter. ठीक है. that ends with any letter are feminine. क्या होंगे वो लेटर्स? क्या होगा वो लेटर?
E.
E. I have told you in the beginning the words that are ending with E are mostly considered as feminine.
Feminine. Okay.
ओके
ठीक है. तो les noms de le pays, the name of the countries qui termine par la lettre that are ending with the letter are feminine, that are ending with the letter E are feminine. Okay. Now les noms de le pays qui termine par la lettre are plural S.
Okay, so if it ends with S, it's plural.
Yeah, it's plural.
Yeah, like English then. Yeah.
ठीक है. This was not very difficult concept to remember. ठीक है. Now अब इधर आ जाओ. Observe, complete, avec is with. Complete, avec, le, la, l apostrophe, le.
Le.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे इन्होंने दिया हुआ ही है तो क्या कॉम्प्लेट है? सिंपल उन्होंने बताया हुआ है. मेस्कुलिन, फेमिनिन. ला शीन, ल फ्रांस, ल ब्राजील, ल लिबन. ठीक है. सो यू कैन, आई वाज सेइंग अबाउट दिस. ये देखो, ये हमारे एक्सेप्शंस हैं, ये दो.
Okay.
और भी धीरे धीरे आएंगे, लेकिन अभी इतने याद करने हैं आपको. ल मैक्सिक, मैक्सिक के एंड में ई आ रहा है, लेकिन इट इज मैस्कुलिन. ल मैक्सिक.
इस रूल का कोई लॉजिक है या ऐसे ही सिर्फ है?
नहीं, दे आर एक्सेप्शंस.
Okay.
अभी आपको ये थोड़ा सा रिमेम्बर करने पड़ेंगे अपने दिमाग में, ठीक है.
Okay.
वैसे ये इतने रिपीटेडली आएंगे नहीं, कहीं आपको ज्यादा दिखेंगे नहीं, बट कई बार क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू रीड एनी आर्टिकल, एनी पैसेज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, वहां अगर आप सोचो तो तब कई बार दिख सकता है आपको कि ये मैक्सिक क्यों आ रहा है, तब आपको याद करना है दैट इट इज एन एक्सेप्शन. ऐसे कंबोदे सेम. और नो द लपेई सॉज आर्टिकल, ठीक है. नो द पेई सॉज आर्टिकल, सॉ इज विदाउट,
Without, okay. So,
ठीक है.
name of the countries without
देखो
article.
आविक, ए वी सी, आविक इज विद एंड सॉ इज विदाउट,
Okay.
ठीक है. सो क्यूबा, सिंगापुर, मेडागास्कर, शिर्प, माल्ट, एटी, ये आती, etc. There are some articles which are, there are some name of the countries which are without articles. ठीक है, ज्यादा वो नहीं देना इस पर. You don't have to give so much emphasis on this. Main concept was to know the basic nationalities because they are going to repeat themselves in different audios, passages. May they, you will able to know which country is this, and the articles. Main objective was to make you understand the articles which are masculine, feminine accordingly. ठीक है. So 1 second. Okay. ज्ञानदीप, your concept रह गया है आज भी, but tomorrow.
Reading well.
Yeah, reading one. ठीक है.
Yeah, it's okay. With her, we can do it with her tomorrow. Then it's okay.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
she's,
Do what?
Little reading exercise. It's one reading.
I have to do it.
No,
No,
Okay.
you
Okay, so you do it.
keep part of.
No, I just asked her how to, like, can you just give her the basic principles on how to read anything. So maybe she can.
Basic sounds
Okay.
basically कि two words को हम कैसे pronounce करते हैं अगर कोई word साथ में आ जाता है.
Okay, well, we can do that
So,
tomorrow.
you tell me that. I know Gyandeep, we have been taking 2-3 classes together, so we are not aware about you. So you are preparing for?
I'm preparing. I mean, this is just a precautionary measure for my PR situation. I mean, I've not reached that stage yet, but thought maybe start beforehand rather than rushing for it at the end moment.
Okay, got your point. So most probably you will be taking TEF.
Yeah, most probably.
Okay, so you are aware that till which level you have to be prepared for that?
I think, I mean, I've not researched much yet, but I spoke with Gyan earlier. So it's like A1, A2, B1, B2, charo karne padenge.
हाँ, till B2 तो you have to be prepared.
Who's laughing at me?
No, it's the same situation. It's the same situation.
Okay, so you're laughing at the both of us then. Okay.
Yeah, I'm laughing at both of us. No. But at least you are doing it at the early stage. I'm doing it at the last moment. So I'm.
No, Gyandeep, you are having enough time. I don't think so that you are doing at a very.
I have 15 months. So I have 15 months to clear this. Yeah.
Very
enough
enough
if you will put your heart and soul into it. So
Yeah, I have to.
We're very close to that matter. I think I have 18 or 19 months.
Yeah, then similar time. Yeah, similar.
Similar.
so
Yeah, we have to. I think this will help us a lot. So I guess
Definitely.
yeah, this will definitely help you, both of you. So Malin, you will get the recorded sessions, 2-3 sessions that we have already done. I think the alphabets we have done, the basic salutations we have done, and presentative also we have done, and numbers.
Numbers, yes.
ठीक है.
I've once I get access to those, I mean, if I could get I'm working constantly the rest of the week, so बीच में time मिलेगा तो I will go through the recordings slowly.
हाँ, for the time being, please go through the alphabets.
And I'll try to finish them within the week. though.
Alphabets, presumptive, ये दो चीज तो पक्का से कर लेना, because tomorrow we'll do one small mock session with both of you. एक बार presumptive कर लेना. This will be very beneficial for you, Manli, because when I will communicate with Gyan with the presumptive, तो you'll आपका पक्का हो जाएगा वो अच्छे से.
Okay. हाँ जी.
Okay, Gyan, and we'll do the reading part tomorrow.
Perfect. Sounds
You
good.
will remember it, but
No, it's okay.
had you changed?
Yeah.
Okay, Manli, you will get the recorded sessions, and no problem, you will be able to cope up. No such thing is there that you have missed. So you will be able to cope up, and you can come with your doubts, obviously, and we can discuss it during the class.
Got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye. Then see you all tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good.
Au revoir.
Bye.